Well, I believe that the United States and India can take what is already a solid foundation and grow that relationship into something even better and bigger. How can we do that? We can sign many more bilateral accords. We can make sure that we work together with our allies around Asia, around the entire globe, to let them know how we've been successful in forging this incredible relationship and how we can do so with other countries. So we look upon India as such a strong ally that they really are ambassadors to the rest of the world. They tell other countries that maybe those other countries are being pulled by extremist groups, and they say, look, don't go that direction. Come with us, side with the United States, and you'll be better off for it. So it's in our national security interest to build good relations with India and make them even better. And I think that the trade agreement that we had passed and the nuclear agreement that we had passed, all of that are signs of a solid relationship. We've got to expand trade so that more India products come over here, more American products go over there, good people-to-people contact. And that's why this organization is so important, because we hear folks from the Indian American community who become involved and who look upon this organization as the rallying point. This is where we get valuable information. U.S. Impact always is abreast of what's going on with U.S.-India relations. They keep their members informed. And I'm very proud that in South Florida, indeed in all of Florida, we have a strong and vibrant Indian American community. And they're involved in every aspect. It's not just diplomacy, and it's not just national security. They're concerned about commerce. They're concerned about immigration. They're concerned about a myriad of issues because just like they are Indian Americans, I'm Cuban American, but we're all Americans, so we're very concerned with what goes on right here. We want to build a good, solid economic background too, because India wants to make sure that they're poised to be a superpower in terms of the economy, and we want to expand our global reach through the economy as well. So it's really been a good partnership, and it's been a wonderful set of relationships that is only going to get better in the years to come.